Mastering Knotting Techniques, a Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and practical topic, knotting techniques. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just curious, understanding the basics of knotting can be incredibly useful in various contexts. So, let's unravel the mystery behind knots together. Knotting techniques refer to the methods and processes used to tie knots in materials like rope, string, or fabric. These techniques range from simple knots used in everyday tasks to more complex ones required in specific fields like sailing, climbing, or even crafting. Understanding these techniques not only helps in performing tasks effectively but also ensures safety and reliability in activities that depend on secure knots. Knotting isn't just about tying things together. It's a skill with both practical and artistic value. Safety is a primary concern, especially in activities like climbing or sailing, where a poorly tied knot can lead to dangerous situations. On the other hand, knotting also plays a significant role in arts and crafts, such as macrame or jewelry making, where the aesthetics of the knot contribute to the beauty of the final product. Let's start with some basic knotting techniques that everyone should know. The square knot, ideal for joining two ropes of equal thickness, commonly used in camping and boating. The bowline, known as the king of knots for its strength and ease of untying, crucial for rescue operations and securing loads. The slip knot, a versatile knot that creates a loop that tightens under load, widely used in knitting and crocheting. For those looking to go beyond the basics, there are advanced knotting techniques with specific applications. The clove hitch, useful for securing ropes to posts or rings, common in sailing and climbing. The figure 8 knot, a strong stopper knot, essential in climbing for preventing ropes from running out of retaining devices. Mastering knotting techniques takes practice and patience. Here are some tips to help you along the way. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the more instinctive knotting will become. Use quality materials. Starting with good quality rope or string can make learning easier and more enjoyable. Learn the terminology. Understanding the terms used in knotting can help you follow instructions more easily and communicate with others in the field. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of knotting techniques. Whether for practical use, safety, or creative expression, knotting is a valuable skill to have. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to start tying knots today. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.